Morning children, today I am starting your physics. That is the first lesson related to the light. You know that the first initially you have to study the reflection and refraction of light. It is a very important chapter, the whole point of view. Now, whatever the topic I am teaching you, try to feel it and try to understand. First, we will discuss the reflection of light. It is so important that nothing can be imagined without reflection. Here, you know that in previous also you have studied that light travels in a straight line. And you might have proved by the different activities. Light travels in the straight line. Anything which we see all around, it is due to the light. When the light falls on the object and the reflected light come to our eye, then we are able to see the object. In a dark room, if we are going in, when the room is completely dark, there is no light, we are not able to see. In the dark night, we are not able to see anything. Why? Because there is no reflected light coming to our eye. When you are using a torch in a dark room, the light of the torch fall on the object, and upon reflection, the reflected light come to our eye, and then only we are able to see. So anything is visible, it is due to reflection. Amount of light reflected depends upon surface to surface. Every surface reflects light, it is true. But every surface does not reflect the same amount of light. Now here the matter came for the surface. The rough surface, dull surface, does not reflect much of the light it absorbs. Shining surface of the mirror, maximum light is reflected. Say for example, it is a mirror. On this mirror, anything which will fall, light will fall, it maximum amount of light will be reflected. You feel it if it is a rough surface. When light fall on it, it become heated up because light has got the different constituents: infrared, ultraviolet. The heat rays is infrared, which is absorbed by the rough surface, and it become heated up. Temperature of the surface rises up. But when it is a smooth reflecting surface, it remains cool because most of the energies are reflected from it. It is a plane mirror. We will teach you today the different types of mirror and what type of images are formed. In coming chapter also you are going to study how the image will be formed and what type of image will be formed. What are the factors on which image formation depends. Now children, the basic laws you might have studied in the light chapter in previous class also. See, it is a shining surface, it is your mirror. You can keep this mirror like this. This is this. This see, a shining surface is about this. The light fall on this. It is called incidence rays. Incidence rays. It is called reflected rays. And It is normal. Normal is a perpendicular on the surface. But this is I, angle is I, or this angle is R. So angle I equal to angle R. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. First law. Second, incident rays, normal and reflected rays, all three lie in the same plane. Incidence rays, normal and reflected rays lies in the same plane. Please write this. The image formed by the plane mirror is always virtual and erect. The size of the image is equal to that of the object, virtual and erect. You have written it? Now, see. The image formed by the plane mirror. This is your plane mirror. It is always image formed by plane mirror is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Now, I will teach you the mirror, the plane mirror is this, and angle of reflection and angle of incidence will always be equal in the case of plane mirror and a spherical mirror also. There are two types of a spherical mirror. In that, a spherical mirror is categorized in two types: convex mirror and concave mirror. So plane mirror and a spherical mirror. What is a spherical mirror? The mirror which shining surface. What is a spherical mirror? The mirror whose shining surface are either inward depressed or elevated, and it is a part of a sphere. It is a part of the sphere. Now see one examples I am showing you. It is your sphere. Now cut a section. So this surface, this is an spherical mirror part. If it is reflecting surface outwards, if you take this side, reflecting surface inwards. I will tell you examples by taking it. See, it is I am taking the spoon. This is activity already shown in your book. It is a spherical. See, you can see this in this activity. your figure in this color, and then slowly you can keep it out and nearer. They have asked that when you are seeing your face in a spoon, what do you observe it? When the inner part, that is a reflecting surface, it is a concave mirror. I am seeing, and if I am moving away from my face, my size is decreasing. Image is decreasing, diminishing the image. And we got the inverted image. That is ulta. Image is inverted in the case of concave mirror. Now revert it. Now I am seeing on this part my foot. It is a inverted part, it is a convex mirror. Convex means vex, inverted upwards. It is a outwards. So it is a convex part. It is a concave mirror. So when I am seeing in this activity again, my image form is imaginary. My image is straight, not inverted. My image is as usual. If I am making it away from us, it is image size of the image is diminishing. But image is here inverted, but this side not inverted. So now let me, this is your activity answer. You can read in your book. As per this activity, you can reply answer. We will discuss few topics related to the convex mirror, concave mirror. First question goes, what is concave mirror? What is a convex mirror? What is concave mirror? What is convex mirror? Concave mirror. Shining surface is depressed. Shining surface is depressed in the center. Shining surface is elevated in the center of a spherical surface. Of a spherical surface. A spherical surface. So this become your concave mirror. The shining surface is depressed. I told you by taking this example, if you see, this is your concave mirror. Now it is your, you see this side, it is your convex mirror. Now we will discuss that few points before we go for the further study the few points, we will discuss it. What is the concave mirror? These two answers you have, you can give it. Okay? What is a plane mirror? Third, what is a plane mirror? Mirror question. Fourth question, define laws of reflection. What is the relation between incident rays and reflected rays? What is relation between incident rays and reflected rays? Is it angle I equal to angle R? Is it true for all surface? Yes, gentlemen, it will be true for all surface. The surface is like this also. Then also, everywhere it is like that. Okay, now you can put a question mark. These all are the questions. Now, we will discuss that few more points regarding the mirror. Now tell me, what is the pole of a mirror? This is called a pole. It is the center of the reflecting surface of a mirror is known as a pole of the mirror. It is called pole. It is what is a pole? Now first you write all the questions, we will discuss it. What is the pole? Pole also you can write it. It is center of the reflecting surface of mirror. Center, it is the center of the reflecting surface of the mirror. It is known as pole. It is a pole of concave mirror, pole of convex mirror. It is the center of the reflecting surface of the mirror. Pole lies where it is actually. Pole lies on the surface. It lies on the surface. Pole lies on the surface. Where actually pole is there? It lies on the surface. Now, the another part, should I rub it off now this part? Then we will be able to writing this side. And let's know these are questions. Then next to your question, you can write it. What is a pole? What is pole? Pole of mirror. Next question again. Next question again we will give. What is the pole of mirror? Now, it is a part of a sphere. Now, this is your convex mirror. Now, look at this. It is a part of a sphere. The spherical mirror is a part of a sphere. Here also you can see this. It is a part of a sphere. So once it is a part of the sphere, there must be a center of the sphere. And this center is known as center of curvature. Center of curvature. As a pole is the center of curvature. It is the center of curvature. Therefore, center of curvature is here. In the case of center of curvature, then what is the definition? So what is center of curvature? Center of curvature. It is a center of the sphere whose part is the spherical mirror. It is center of that sphere which is it is the center of the sphere whose part is a spherical mirror. In the case of convex mirror, center of curvature remain backside. In the case of concave mirror, the center of curvature is the front of the shining surface. In the concave mirror, center of curvature is the front of the shining surface, whereas in the case of convex mirror, the center of curvature is the backside of the shining surface. Now write it or make the figure. We discuss it further more points. Now we will discuss what you see, pole. Pole is the reflecting surface of the mirror. It lies on the surface. Like it is a pole. Pole also represented by English alphabet P. P for pole, point. And center of curvature is represented by C. Now this is the pole and it is C. So the imaginary line which passes through the center of curvature and pole is known as principal axis. The imaginary line, what is the principal axis? Principal axis. What is the principal axis? It is the imaginary line it is the imaginary line which passes through the center of curvature and pole. This is your principal axis. This all topics will be coming while solving the numericals. Now, what is the focus? Focus. Now see, it is your reflecting surface. It is a concave mirror. Now light fall on this are reflected back. Fall on this, 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 reflected back. The point at focus, the point at which reflected light concentrated, such point is known as focus. The point at which reflected light is concentrated or meets is called focus. And then what is called focal? It is called focus. We will discuss what is the focal length. So that these things we will discuss in coming chapters. Up to focus we have covered it. Now revise all the things we have taught you today. Laws of reflection. What is reflection? What are the types of mirror? We have taught you two types of mainly mirror. In case of reflected mirror, in the case of a spherical mirror is divided into two types: convex mirror and concave mirror. Convex mirror whose shining surface is upwards or seen outwards, whereas concave mirror whose shining surface is inwards or depressed in the middle. We have taught you what is the pole, what is center of curvature, define principal axis and focus. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.